Hi, and welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. I'm Marcia, and I'm happy that you joined me here today. So, I am in my office, and I've been doing a little bit more organizing and tidying up. And I know we've been switching back and forth between our slow stitch project and our organizing project. So, after we do a little bit of our crafting, then we need to tidy up and get things organized a little bit. So, I went through that collection of my vintage lace that was gifted to me, and I showed you the different things that were in there that I wouldn't personally be using, but I said I'm going to gift them to my community. So if you are a subscriber to my channel and you are on my email list, which is called the Sunshine Makers Club, then I will be sending out a newsletter and offering for 3 different subscribers the opportunity to receive one of the 3 items that I will be showing you today that I will be giving away, and I think that you will love it. So what I'm going to do is show you the 3 items, and then you leave a comment below of which of the 3 items that you like. And if you don't care any one of the 3, you would, enjoy. And these are little projects. These are slow stitch projects. So it's right in the theme of my channel. And so what we've been working on lately. But I will be announcing the winners here on the channel, but also in the newsletter. So you need to be a member of the newsletter by signing up at sunshinemakersclub.com and subscribing to my YouTube channel here. And I'm going to be making a big announcement probably in the next couple of months of something that I'm going to be also adding into the edition for my Sunshine Maker Club members. And it's going to be an exclusive club community. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I'm hoping that you will as well. So let me show you the 3 items, and then I will show you how clean and tidied up the room has gotten now. And I did have a little help from my housekeeper. So when you come in the room now, it is so clean. I mean, she moved everything, and she picked everything that I didn't need to be on the floor up, and tidied everything up and swept it and vacuumed and mopped. So these things here still do not have a designated home, but temporarily that is their home. But everything else is just absolutely clean and tidy, orderly, and I could not be happier. It's absolutely wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So I have a few projects I want to share with you, and those are items that are here on my sewing table. And let me come over here down to my desk, and I'll show you the 3 items that are available for you to win. So here are the 3 slow stitch kits that I will be offering to my community. All right, let's start here with the raccoon. So this is a needle point, needle crafting kit, and it's 15 by 19 would be the size when it's completed. Here's the pattern. This is all that was here when she gave it to me, so I don't know if everything is, what you need would be left, but this is what was here. And so this is let me open this up. Okay, so here he is. So it's already been started. And here's the outline of the tree. Here's the raccoon. Here's the little bumblebee. Here's another bumblebee here, another bumblebee here. So it's really a cute little pattern, and it's a real nice, like a burlappy kind of a fabric here. Very, very nice. So this is the first kit. And it doesn't have, let me see, yeah, I don't know how old it is, but I would say by the coloring, the patina of the paper, I would say it's, you know, definitely old. So that one goes first. And then next was this, it looks like a towel. It's not your normal cross-stitching fabric. It's something else, but it feels more linen-y. This here, I don't know what was going on here. So I'm including this piece, because I don't know what it was, to go with this Scripture Bookmarks by Jane Chandler. And let me see, I don't know if there's any kind of a date on this or not. Okay, 1995, but who knows when her mother acquired it. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like 8 patterns. Very nice. There's one here about Noah and the Ark. And then there's one here, let's see, it's hard to read some of this writing, so give me a minute to look at this thing. Anyway, it's very nice. They're very, very nice. Pleasant words are as a honeycomb, sweet to the soul, and health to the bones. Okay, so I don't know if that's from the King James Version or where that's taken from, but anyway, probably. And then this is Proverbs 22:1, a good name. Better, okay, loving favor rather than silver and gold, something like that. And then this one is 1 Corinthians 13:13. And now abideth faith, hope, charity, these three, but the greatest of these is charity. Okay. So definitely, I would say probably from the King James Version. Anyway, so I'm going to have this is another gift option. So the raccoon, the Scripture Bookmarks, and then this one is to make a doll. So if you've ever had the desire to make a doll, fabric doll, which I have never, let me see, let me open it up here, make sure that's what it is before I say that that's what it is. This is the first time I've opened it. I'm just was reading it and then going, assuming that's what was on the inside. Let me open this up. Okay, so we have alright, so we have the doll. Okay, so this is just a picture of the doll. Isn't she cute? Oh, she's so cute. Alright, so this is by Sunset Stitchery Candlewick. This kit contains all materials to make the doll except the stuffing. Okay. And there's no date back here. Alright. Contents contains cotton fabric, cotton yarn, cotton embroidery floss, cotton. Okay. Requires 7 ounces of batting. Alright, so there's that. And then here's the patterns, instructions. Emily, her name is Emily. Okay. Alright, so here's Emily's instructions. Looks pretty complete. And then here is side 3 of 3. Okay, so there's 3 sides and they're all here. Alright, so here's the dress, the face, whatever that is, whatever that is. Okay. And this is 2 of 3. All right, so here you go. All the instructions are complete. Now let me look at this. So this looks like all the, I don't know if that's supposed to be the hair or what, but anyway. Oh, how cute. Oh, it's adorable. Okay, so she started on, I don't know if this is the pocket or something to do with the dress. Isn't that adorable? So definitely where you could practice your embroidery stitches here. Okay, this is satin stitch that she used here, and the French knots here, satin stitch. So very easy. Same thing here, satin stitch, French knots. Up here, the same thing, French knot, satin stitch. And then she was over here on this part here, more of the satin stitch. So, and then back here, oh, this is so cute. She already put the wording. Okay, wherever you go, whatever you do, be happy and know that I love you. Oh, that's so pretty. So, so sweet. And I love the way she stitched this. Oh, it looks so beautiful. I love it. So whoever gets this can continue. Okay, here's her arms and legs, obviously. So I know you'll have a wonderful time finishing this up. Very, very nice. So that's Emily. Yep, it tells you. Okay, A is satin stitch, B straight stitch lines, back stitch, French knots. Okay, so this is telling you step by step exactly what you need to do. Very nice. Pantaloons, arms. Okay, very cute. Cute, cute, cute. Love it. All right, so like I said, this is everything. And it still has the needle, as you might have seen. Let me go back and show that again. Where was it? Okay, so here's the needle she was using. All right, so we're going to put this in here. So whoever would like Emily, just let me know in the comments below. So you have your choice of Emily the doll. You have your choice of the scripture bookmarks instruction booklet, and then this little piece of linen, whatever that was, and you have your choice of the raccoon needlework kit. All right, so those are the 3. And again, subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and sign up for my newsletter, Sunshine Makers Club, and the link for that will be in the description below. And then I will leave this open for entries until Friday, and then I'll do the drawing on Saturday and announce the winner next Sunday. So that way it'll be a plenty of time for everybody to see the video and to enter. And so I will send out a newsletter to let you know to come over and enter. This will be open for those who have a USA mailing address, and that way it helps me with the postage. So I know that you'll understand that. So sorry for the international viewers, but postage has just gotten way too expensive, even here in the United States. So it's just something that I have to be discretionary. But this is, I thought, you know, just move things out. I don't want to just, you know, hold on to these things. So let's just gift them and do another giveaway. So I really think this will be fun. You'll really enjoy it. All right, so let me see what else. Oh, okay, yes. So the community that I'm going to be putting together, that will be announced probably November, if I get it all together by then. But it's going to be something really, really fun. So thank you here for joining me, and stay safe and keep creating in the sunshine. I look forward to seeing all the comments for the entry. Bye-bye.